Hi and welcome to a new day of my 1 week 1 palette challenge with the, and I can never say it enough, amazing TooFaced Sweet Peach palette. It's a new day, it's a new makeup look, and today I think I'm going to do something winged linerish, more like a cat eye maybe. So we'll see what will happen. Again, not a real plan here, so let's see what I can create today. I'm going to start with a light base color, which is Peaches and Cream in the corner down below here, and I'm using my XO Beauty Crease Blender brush. Really loving these brushes. So soft. Really nice. So I'm blending that one all over my eyelid and into the crease and up towards the brow. Okay, and next I'm going to go in with a little bit of a mixture of colours. So I applied Peaches and Cream all over the eye for a good base. And next I'm going to use a mixture between Cobbler, which is this lovely shimmery kind of lighter bronzy colour, and between Charmed, I'm sure, just the darker brown up here. And I don't want it to be too dark, that is why I'm kind of mixing colours together. And I'm putting that one on my outer corners to create a kind of a V and into the crease, and I'm blending it towards the inner corner kind of. I'm starting with the teeny tiniest bit of Charmed, I'm sure, with a XO Beauty eyeshadow brush, and I'm kind of defining where I want these colours to go. I'm basically just kind of creating a wing out here, just kind of as an outline. And now I'm going to take a XO Beauty angled shadow brush, also the colour Charmed, and I'm kind of just filling in that shape. To blend everything, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier ponytail brush, and I'm blending it especially up here and on the lid. And to the outer corners. Also using a little bit of Peaches and Cream, because I have the feeling that it's a little bit too dark and I would love it to be very soft. Going back to the XO Beauty winged eyeshadow, angled shadow brush, and going in a little bit into Cobbler, and mainly in the outer corners, and blending it just on top. And again, blending it a little bit with the Laura Mercier brush. And then you're already done with the upper lid eyeshadow base. Okay, and once that is done and everything is nicely blended, I'm going in with my MAC 212 and the colour Summer Yum. Summer Yum is this colour down below. It's a very nice reddish undertoned brown kind of. And I'm going in with that and putting that underneath my little lash line. Quite a lot of it, and then kind of where your lashes on the little lash line are, and I'm very generous with this colour there. Now I'm going in with the eye crease brush by Laura Mercier and just blending that a little bit down here. And now on to eyeliner. I think I might use a combination of two, but I'm going to start with the Maybelline New York Master Graphic eyeliner, and I mainly use this because I have the best feeling when I do my eyeliner with it. I'm the most confident, and I'm going to draw a very nice and bigger, very intense cat flick eyeliner today, I think. Onto lashes, and I'm using the XO Beauty the Dramatics, and with them of course my clear duo glow, and I think I'm going to go for the Wanderlust lashes, which is the second pair down, and quickly applying them and then coming back to you because I never can properly apply lashes on camera. So there are so many amazing tutorials you can watch when it comes to how to apply false eyelashes. You don't need me to say how it's done. Definitely not. So I forgot to apply a little bit of highlight, and I wanted to use Luscious, this lovely colour up here, and I'm going to apply that one in my inner corners right there. Highly recommend doing that before you apply your eyeliner. And also applying that on my brow bone a little bit. Yes, and already done. Now, as always, a little bit of mascara, especially for the lower lashes. I think that my upper lashes need mascara today. These lashes are insane. I love them. And then eyeshadow look is done for today. And now, of course, the only thing missing is lipstick, and so I'm going to go for something a little bit more like a darker reddish, because I really want to complement the darker brownish red I applied. I'm going to use a matte one by MAC, and this is the colour Chili. It's a very nice terracotta-y, like orangey, brownish, reddish colour, which I think complements the colour Summer Yum, which is underneath my lower lashes, nicely. And I wanted to complement that and emphasize that a little bit, so let's see how it looks. Okay, and that is my look for today done. Guys, I hope that you like it. It's not too much out there, nothing too special or anything, but I really wanted to experiment a little bit with that brownish red underneath my lash line and something very neutral on top and a huge lovely wing line. I hope that you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, because I really would like to know that you like it or what you think about this look. Also, don't forget to send me your pictures or to link me your pictures on social media when you recreate this look. Really love it, and I hope you like it too. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I will of course see you tomorrow for the next look, and I hope that you will leave me a thumbs up, a subscription and a comment in the comment section down below. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.